Hey there, innovators. Welcome back to Makes It with AI. Ready to step up your animation game to the next level? Today, I'll be demonstrating some nifty next-level intermediate tricks that will make your videos pop like never before. So let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with splitting clips. Think of this as your way to divide a video clip into smaller sections and then keep only the parts you need. Pick your clip from the timeline. This is where the magic begins. Find that spot where you want to split things up. This helps you isolate those must-have moments. Hit the split tool and voila! Your clip is now divided into manageable pieces. Edit away and remove any fluff. Then, just delete the parts you don't need. This keeps your video tight and engaging. Next up, let's talk about animation transitions. These are your secret weapon for creating seamless shifts between scenes. Here's how you do it. Hover your cursor between two clips. This is where you can add transitions. Click on the bottom button between the two clips to add one. Fades, wipes, slides, and more will help make your videos even more professional. Then browse through the transitions options, fades, wipes, slides, etc., and choose the one you want. Then choose the duration and other available options. These add a smooth flow to your video and an extra touch of professionalism to your work. Watch again to make sure it is what you want. Now, let's bring some sparkle to your static elements by using animation presets. This is where your text and graphics get to show off their moves. Choose a text or graphic that needs a little pizzazz. Head over to the Animate tab and explore the preset options. These animations will bring your chosen objects to life. Pick an animation that fits the vibe and apply it. Watch as your text or graphic dances onto the screen. Play around with timing to sync with your video's rhythm. If you don't like it, delete the animation and try another. Let's get into show timing. This is one of my favorites. Click on your text or graphic to get started. Click on the three dots on the pop-up menu, then scroll down to show timing and click on that. To adjust the timing settings to choose when your element appears and disappears on the screen, drag the handles on the colorful timeline that has popped up to fine-tune the object's visibility in your video. This makes sure everything shows up right when you want it to. Have fun playing with this one. Think of it as your video's personal stage manager. This skill helps you control when text or graphics appear and disappear in your video. For those precise edits, zooming in on the timeline will be your best friend. It's kind of like getting up close with a magnifying glass to inspect specific sections of the timeline. Find the zoom slider at the bottom of the timeline. Drag it to zoom in on the section you're working on. This gives you a closer look at specific parts of your video you might need to change. Fine-tune your edits by zooming in and out. This is a big help in getting those details just right. Lastly, let's give your videos a stylish look by using frames. This one can be so much fun. By using these, you can embed videos within these frames to showcase a moving object inside your video. Head to the Elements tab and scroll down to Frames. If you don't see them, just search for frames. These are great for making your video stand out from the rest. Drag your chosen frame onto your video canvas and place it where you need it to be. Then, go to Videos and find a video to add inside the frame of your video. All you have to do is drag and drop it onto the green screen part of the frame. If it doesn't fit exactly like you want it to, you may have to play with its size and retry a few times to get it to fit into the frame perfectly. Adjust the size and position so everything looks right, and you're done. And there you have it. Feel free to mix and match these tactics. If you use any of these intermediate level tips, your Canva videos are going to look absolutely amazing. Play around with these features and let your creativity shine. My best advice to you now is just to practice. A lot. The more you do this, the better your videos will be. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.